What's going on, everyone? I hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're diving into the world of ClickFunnels 2.0 to show you another hack, another thing that you can use in your arsenal to optimize your funnels for mobile. Now, this edition is specifically around rows. Rows were given the flexibility of a flex container. All this means for you is that you can essentially control the direction of how things stack on mobile and have more customization over your designs. So with that said, let's go and jump over to my screen here and I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Before we dive in, I have something awesome for you. It is our QuickStart Blueprint Ebook. It's the ultimate guide for your service-based business looking to get set up online the right way without all the tech headaches. Whether you're just starting out or trying to improve upon what you've already set up, this ebook is packed with a bunch of tips, tricks, and overall strategies that can help you grow your business. You can grab your free copy below by clicking the link in the description. With that said, let's go and dive into the video. Alrighty, kicking things off inside of our editor here, let's say that you want your navigation and your logo to sit right beside one another on mobile devices. How would you do that? Now, historically, what we'd have to do is actually use a flex container. And that's what I'm doing right here. But with this new release, or what we're talking about today in this video, you can actually achieve this with just a regular row. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so first off, let's go and just add a new section just to have a blank canvas here. We'll add a new row and we're going to do a 2-column row. Okay, now just like this, all we have to do is add the elements we want. I'm going to go ahead and just duplicate these bad boys and drag them into place. There we go. Okay, now from here, if we went to the mobile side of this page, we'd find that the rows themselves would stack on one another. It reads from left to right. So this image right here would show first, and then below it would be the navigation. That's completely normal. That does check out, and that's exactly what we're seeing here. So if we wanted to adjust that a little bit and have something a little bit more like this, we can do so by going to the row settings. This is the new setting that we're talking about today, which allows you to go in and customize things for the mobile side without having to use a flex container like we have above. If we go to the settings for this row, go to advanced in the top right, we should see an option to display the columns on mobile. This is going to allow you to adjust the conformity or how the individual columns are going to stack or react on the mobile device, right? So by default, they're set to stack on one another, and that's exactly what's already happening. But if we click on this one right here, this is going to allow the elements to sit side by side, or the rows, or sorry, the columns will sit side by side. Click on that directly, and now if we go to the mobile side, we should find that the functionality or the look that we're after here is achieved. It's basically the exact same. We just maybe add a little bit top margin here to pull it down, and that's it. That's all you have to do. But are you seeing this? How cool is that? All right, what? No, seriously though, how cool is that? Now we don't have to use a flex container. We can technically just achieve the end goal we're after with just a regular row, which means a lot less people are going to be confused around flex containers because they don't even have to use them anymore. That's amazing because, yeah, it just is. All right, we'll just leave it at that. All right, that is it. That's the main thing we're covering today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions around anything that we covered today, let me know down below. I'm sure that there are many other use cases for this type of functionality, and I am excited to see what you guys do with this. But anyways, again, if you have any questions around anything we covered today, let me know down below. Or if you have any questions around anything within the ClickFunnels ecosystem, let me know down below as well. All right. Have a fantastic day. I look forward to talking to you in the future in the next video. And that's it. See you later.